everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So in today's video, I am going to be using my 6-ounce split cup. This video is for my Facebook group, Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I have a monthly contest, and so that's what this video is for. I am going to be using some colors from March. St. Patrick's Day is generally green and gold, so those are the two colors that will be required. You can also pick a couple other colors to go in there as well. So I'm just gonna kind of jump in and get started. Like I said, I will be using a split cup, so that is also a requirement. I'm doing a 4-chamber, which is my quad cup. You don't have to use a quad cup, but it does have to be a split cup. All right, so let's see, let me go over the colors really quick. For my green, I did combine a couple colors. I used Lukas Viridian, which is like a phthalo green. And then I added Pebeo Studio Acrylics Iridescent Green Blue, and it is really pretty. It's got a nice shimmer iridescent look to it. Super pretty. And then I have got my gold is actually going to be put on the canvas first, so I'll go over that. But my gold is DecoArt 24 karat gold. And then I have got another green, which is kind of a surprise green because it looks white, and then when it dries, it will be a shimmery green. So it is also from DecoArt, and it is the Enchanted Shimmer Green. And these Enchanted Shimmer paints are really, I love using them. They're my favorites to use. And then I've got a blue, which I've mixed a couple blues. Also from SoHo, which is my favorite blue, Mineral Blue. And then I love to mix that with another Pebeo, which is the Iridescent Blue Black. It really gives it a nice color, nice shimmer. It's super pretty. And then I have a teal, and I have it in my bottle, but I don't know what teal it is. I think it might be Modern Masters, but I'm not exactly sure. So I also have a 12-inch round canvas that I will be pouring on today. So I'm gonna get organized here real quick, get my gloves on, and then I will be right back. All right, I've got my gloves on, and now I'm going to go ahead and start filling my cup. And I do have a set order that I wanted to put the colors in to kind of give from kind of alternate light and dark colors. That way, when I'm pouring the rings, or I haven't really decided quite yet if I'm gonna do a ring pour or a straight pour. I'm not sure. I'll figure that out once I start pouring, I think. So anyway, let me go ahead and start. And I think I'm gonna go with the teal on this outside chamber. And, oops, I think I just poured it on the outside, just a little bit. And for my cups, I tend to fill, you can see the way the spout is, the chambers come to the bottom of the spout, and that is where I tend to fill my colors up in my cups. And for those of you that don't know, I do, besides acrylic pouring, I design 3D printed acrylic pouring tools. You can check all them out at acrylicpouringtools.com. That's where this cup is available, along with a lot of other acrylic pouring tools. I think I'm up to over, I don't know, 70, 75 different very useful acrylic pouring tools. So if you're interested, go check that out. And this color that I'm putting in, again, is that DecoArt Enchanted Shimmer Green. I love these paints. If I haven't said it already, I love these paints. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the blue in there so you can kind of see that the colors are kind of staggered like that, light, dark, a lighter, a darker, a lighter, a darker. So, all right, so let me get these over here. And let me move this out of the way first. And like I said, I am going to be putting down the gold. So let me go over really quick the rules one more time. So for the contest, you have to use a split cup, and you also have to use green and gold, and then you can use up to 3 other colors. So 5 colors total, and they can be any other colors that you choose, all right? And there will be prizes. So if you have not joined my Facebook group, Acrylic Pouring, or excuse me, Acrylic Pouring with Friends, go check that out and you can join, and then you can enter the contest and see what the prizes are. It's always fun. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna put this down first, and the gold is thinner than the rest of my paints. So we're gonna see if it's gonna create some cells underneath that it will come up. We'll see. See, I'm hoping you can kind of see those gold cells are starting to appear around the edge. Now I don't know if there's too much in the middle to have cells kind of come up through the middle, but I kind of like what's going on there. I'm gonna go ahead and there's definitely some air bubbles there, so let's get those popped. Now the white that you see is the Enchanted Shimmer Green. So I'm very curious to see how that is going to dry, because that should look like glittery green, shimmery green. And I think there's more blue here. My Viridian kind of is, I like these fingerlings though. My Viridian got kind of dumped off more. All right, so I'm gonna let this develop. I'm gonna leave these cells now. I kind of like it. And then I'll be back to show you guys the dried results. All right, stay tuned. All right, so here's the dried result, and I think it is interestingly awesome. I love those gold cells around the edges. I think it frames it really kind of cool. And that DecoArt Enchanted Shimmer Green is just beautiful. Look at the way it shimmers in the sunlight. I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. And also, guys, if you want to enter my monthly contest over on my Facebook group, it is Acrylic Pouring with Friends, group by Tracie Reed. And join the group, and then the contest will also be posted there as well. All right, guys, I hope you have a fabulous day. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I will catch you in the next one.